Nishi Tech channel. Hi friends, now we are seeing Nishi Tech channel. In this video I am going to show you I made this is the tent like structure in my terrace. See, tent like structure this is. See here I am going inside. See, we can sit here with a chair. We can sit here. I am used this wire, friends. See this white wire. I use. See the wire. Like this, I cable ties. I used the cable ties packet. See, like this. I used this solar sheet also, friends. Here you can see like that. You can sit at under also like this. You can anywhere like this. I used this wire. This is very comfortable, friends. You can keep any fan here and make your projects like this. I will make the video in this tent, friends. This is the banner. This is the banner. This is. See? Here. You can see I cable tie like this there now, friends. Banner. See, banner. I attach it to the solar sheets and like this slope, like here slope. When when in rainy season, the water comes on it and flows to this like this. Slope is there now, friends. Up to come here, it will come like this slope there now. I used this wire for making this tent. You can see that. And see friends, now we are inside this tent. See, you can see this is the banner tent. See, these are the wire. I fixed it like this. See, you can see. On that I fixed the banner and cable tied it. Okay, see, you can see here like this. This is our tent, friends. If you want to make this, you can also make this. If you have terrace, you can attach this wire to any irons like the frames like this. You can attach this and you can stay here. I make the videos also here only, friends. Now onwards I will make the videos. I will try to make all the videos here. Okay, unboxing videos, all videos I will try to make here. Okay, and then these are the wires. You can see here cable ties like this. Very standard, friends. It will come 1 year, friends. Banner. This banner will come 1 year. 1 year guarantee. 1 year guarantee, friends. You can see here. And friends, here we can fold it like this for lighting. Like this fold and sit. If you are not enough the lighting, we can lift this banner. And I applied the paint, friends. You can see blue paint. This paint is because when water is absorbed, it goes under the slab. So I applied the paint. It will remain on the paint, friends. You can see the water is remain on the paint. It does not go inside. So I applied the paint. You can see blue paint here also. Here also you can see. You can also apply like this, friends, to remain your slab that water goes inside, to prevent that water goes inside. So we have to apply some paint for the slab. When we apply the paint, the rainy season, the water does not goes into the slab. So to prevent the leakage. Okay, you can see here cable ties. Here you can see cable ties. I applied like this zip ties. I fix it to it, friends. This is the solar sheets frame. If you want to see the solar sheets explanation video, I will give the link in description. See, you can see here solar panels. Here. This is a 200 watt, 200 watt, and this is a 150 watt. That is 100 watt. This is 20 watt. Totally 670 watt will come. 670 watt solar sheets these are, and 12 volts connected in parallel. Friends, you can see these solar sheets are connected to inverter. Then we can take the power, and I used some Amran batteries also. And for these two seats, I used one 120 Ah battery. For these two sheets, 200 watt sheets, I used 120 Ah battery, only one battery. So it will come TV, lights like that. And this sheet and 100 watt, 150 watt sheets, I used for fans. It will the fans will work with the two sheets. You can see these are the solar sheets. We have to in the rainy season we have to change to current because the solar will not work. Maximally only some bulbs, LEDs will work only. So we have to change in the rainy season to electricity. So we can save our bill, friends, if we use only inverter without connecting the electricity. If you connect the electricity to the inverter, if you when overnight it will charge the battery, we get the same bill, no difference is there. If we don't connect the electricity to the inverter, we can save our money. So this is the video, friends. This is our tent. So you can see this is our tent. So this is the video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share. Please comment how is the video, and bye, friends.
That little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.